yeah, you just role play.
So, what are you doing?
I don't know. You're pretending, making up scenarios.
What was that for? Oh man, that would have been a good red light run clip if you actually would have done it. That would have been a classic Waterbury clip. Damn it! This video's gonna suck.
As a passerby, I see your cry, but I'll never forget what was alive. But I'm amusing, you would play on and on and on. So whistle my tap, brother, short till life goes on.
Sitting at a busy intersection trying to get clips. Someone's horny.
Millionaires. That the average millionaire drives a 4-year-old car with 41,000 miles on it, and of course it's paid for, and they haven't had car payments in decades, which is how they became a millionaire, because the average car payment now is
Get off the phone.
over $500, about $504 a month.
The tub. We pump that water up into this brass radiator in the lid. The cold water chills the radiator. There's a 3-speed fan also built into the lid on the back side. That fan pulls the air out and blows out through the flexi hose on you, the subject, 35 degrees below the outside.
He was in the middle lane and now he's turning left.
We're so excited about.
In fact, I was driving down here last week and I saw yet another accident. The thing was on its side with a big boat. I think that was on fire. Yikes, look at that. That was on fire. And I think they're going to want to keep a security deposit after that mess. Yikes.
He's never won a playoff game. He was mediocre in 2017 and 2016. The Bengals need to step up their game.
Mobile application for DPO.
So it's still being sold in a DVD and a book format, right?
That's right. So where do you come from, Steve? How did you end up, working with Dallas?
Holy shit.
I started.
I think that's lower than 10 feet, but I still cleared it.
That would inspire people to change.
There's no way I would give you $400,000. I'm out.
That's not a left turn.
They don't last because the technology shifts and the hardware wears and changes and the processes change and everything else, and so you don't get 4 years out of it. But are you going to give up
that trailer door keeps opening
customers for $10,000? A third of your customers for
that shit's going to fall out of there. You can't turn on red. Jeez. That's bold. Alright, is this traffic light just stuck or something? Because now another guy who just went. Finally! It took long enough. And you can... I don't know where this guy's... Where's he going? Where are you going? Wow. Yeah, you found a right turn that you liked. Good job. So scared. Oh boy, another one. Hello?
Hey, Mr. Alvin?
You got a wrong number.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Damn, I thought that was going to be a sales call. Ugh. No need to get horny over this situation. Just go.
Your car, you just have to total the car. Or
straight from left turn lane.
I would have set that car.
I'm a scat man.
No one in the right lane. Why do that?
It knows.
Yeah, right. Now he's still going for it. I thought he changed his mind.
And then you, beyond that, you save your down payment. So you're on your way. You make good money. You're only 27.
Nice.
You're going to get a house. And
a Mercedes driver that's actually not an asshole.
George is with us in San Antonio. Hi, George. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for taking my call.
Sure, man. What's up?
Well, I purchased back in
and that van ran a red light.
The 2014. Yeah.
And the reason is they make more money on credit cards and on extended warranty than they do their electronic sales and the sales.
GTA 4, this game had so many enterable interiors. After you completed missions, cutscenes, and beat the game, you could still go in them. You could roam around and see what they had to offer. Unlike GTA 5. Number 4, no single.
Really? Yeah, at full speed. Do not enter. Do not enter. Do not enter. Do not enter. That sign right there says do not enter. What a moron.
Everything's going to be okay. And they always think that. Right after it's too late. And then the market falls. Whether or not this will be one of those cases, I can't tell you that.
Oh, that's less.
What I can say is that we
see the front end alignment. But if you're doing a front end alignment, don't follow what some guys in say videos. You can get little rulers and measure it and adjust it yourself.
What the
We're
hell?
dealing with thousandths of an inch under
think I really just do that?
non-loaded conditions.
And there's a cop right there too, which is not going to do anything.
Very good equipment like this. A serious job.
Oh wait. Maybe he will. Never mind. He won't. Unless that car did something. Did that van run a red light? Man, it's a justice clip. I think. I was focused on that Mercedes with that one dick move. I didn't watch a red light at all. Really? I don't get why people have to walk in the middle of the street. like, people have a death rush. You kind of want to stay away from where the traffic is.